I don't know how, but this budget killer surprised me with its performance. This FIFINE A6V RGB USB microphone cost less than my grandmother's daily supplements. Even though the packaging is simple, inside the box you will find everything you need, a manual with all necessary steps to start using the microphone correctly, and the manual also lists all the mic specs. The package also includes a very nice long cable, USB-C to USB-A, and I choose the white color, but you can pick your favorite one. A nice bonus is the include pop-up filter, which can be removed, and a shock mount for better recording quality. There's also a table stand included, but the microphone uses standard screw hole, so you can easily mount it on any other stand as well. For example, this floor stand. To use the mic, simply connect it to your computer using a USB cable. Adjust the mic sensitivity with the control under the mic, and you are ready to go. I also really like the touch button function. When the mic is mute, the RGB lights turn off, so it's easy to know if the mic is picking up sound or not. And yes, the audio in this video is recorded directly through this mic, without any sound tuning. I definitely don't know how it's possible, but this mic delivers excellent performance for its price. As always, if you have any questions, leave them under this video. By the way, I am going to help my grandmother record her new rap song, but you will see the unboxing and setup part.